Sayyidina Mehdi salam also there's no time. Your belief in those days is supposed to take you to a timeless reality. So there's no time, Allah has no time. So when you close your eyes, why don't you see Sayyidina Mehdi salam? Because you don't really believe in that. But when you believe and you believe that, oh, these days are the last days, I have to have good character, I have to serve, I have to do everything that's been sort of foretold to us, then what happens? You see the shaykhs, you see Sahib al-Waqt Sayyid Muhammad al-Mahdi salam, and they keep inspiring to you, have good character, be kind, be gentle, be soft. And as a result, the good people should be protected by the Divine, and the bad, they will destroy each other by their own hands. Once they've fully destroyed each other, then the concept of the ones who come as saviors is they're saving people from the brink of destruction of these people, up to the point in which it looks like everything going to be destroyed. Then Imam Mahdi salam on those whom are mahfuz and guarded by Allah's grace. At that time Imam Mahdi salam comes and gives takbir that Allah says, it's over, it's enough. So he comes to save. And in the pursuit of going after the Dajjal, in the Umayyad Masjid in Damascus, they're going to be on a Jummah. At that time Sayyidina Isa salam descending upon the earth, that Isa ibn Maryam with two angels carrying him, they'll stop not starting the Jummah and they'll say that Sayyidina Isa salam is now descending upon the earth, and Imam Mahdi salam will wait. And that's glad tidings, because that was the support to come to kill the Dajjal. He has a special sword that is in Topkapi. That sword is for piercing the Dajjal through his head. That's in Topkapi. So that sword already exists.